Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I've got an incredible story to share with you today, one that's close to my heart. It's the story of how I manifested my dream motorcycle, the Duke 39T, and dedicated it to my late dog Maxx. I call it Project Maxx. It all began when I rode this bike for the first time back in December 2022 and instantly fell in love with it. It was love at first sight. I decided to manifest it into my life. I started visualizing myself riding this beauty day and night. I believed that I would certainly make it a reality. After saving as much as I can, when I saw an ad for the Duke 39T on Bullet Raja, little did I know, my friends Bipin and Shubham decided to take matters into their own hands without telling me. They secretly visited the dealership and took the Duke 39T for a test ride, just to make sure it was the right fit for me. Talk about amazing friends. Fast forward to when I decided to visit Pune and Mumbai for a trip. I had no idea what awaited me. Bipin and Shubham arranged for me to visit the dealership in Mumbai, and there it was, the Duke 39T I had manifested, waiting for me. I was speechless, to say the least. My dream motorcycle, the Duke 39T, was now mine. I didn't waste any time. I hopped on and rode it all the way back home. The journey was nothing but extraordinary. The Duke 39T handled like a dream, and I couldn't help but feel that Maxx was right there with me, enjoying the adventure. Project Maxx is not just about a motorcycle. It's about the power of manifestation, the love of friends, and the persistent memory of my beloved Maxx. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more exciting adventures, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Until next time, ride safe, dream big, and make those dreams a reality. See you in the next video.